Hey, my name is Mark Tachna and welcome to my channel, Cooking with the Tachnas. Today I'm cooking one of my favorite recipes, and that is chili. Now remember, this channel is all about cooking for vegetarians and for meat lovers like myself. So on the left I have hamburger meat, and on the right I have alternative meat, plant-based, and this particular brand is Impossible. We also like the Beyond meat as well. So I'm going to get started. What I have here is I have 1 onion chopped up and divided, and I have 4 cloves of garlic chopped up and divided. In front of me, I have 2 tablespoons of chili powder, some oregano, a can of tomatoes, diced tomatoes, salt and pepper. This is our homemade tomato sauce, and it is absolutely delicious. We use this for everything. If you want to learn how to make tomato sauce from fresh tomatoes, check out our other video. It's really great. It's a lot of fun. I love to load my chili with beans. So in this bowl I have black beans, red beans, a can of trifecta beans, which is black beans, red beans, and pinto beans. And then I also put corn in it as well. So we're gonna get started. I love to cook with cast iron. So I have cast iron on the left, cast iron on the right, one for Heather and Willow, and one for myself. I'm gonna start out cooking the onions and garlic. I just cook the onions until they become transparent. When cooking with cast iron, it gets really hot really quick, and then it stays that way. So as soon as I get it to a certain temperature, I'm going to start turning it down to like a simmer, and then it's going to stay at a nice hot temperature for me. These are looking really good. I'm going to now put my beef in. I'm going to keep my beef on the left. And the vegetarian on the right. Nice thing about the plant-based alternative is it cooks up just like regular beef. You treat it exactly the same. I know a lot of people like to drain their beef when they're done, and I think that just really depends on the fat content. This is a very low fat content in my beef, so I'm not going to have to drain it. And obviously you don't have to drain the Impossible meat. My beef is almost done. And the alternative is almost done as well. So just so you get an idea, here's the beef and here's the alternative. It looks very similar to the beef. Okay, they are both done. I'm going to start adding the other ingredients. Doesn't really matter what order. So here's my beans. Two tablespoons of chili powder. You may need to add more chili powder, it depends on the taste. You can put red pepper flakes in it, put whatever you want in it. Oregano. Okay. Here's my tomatoes. And this is the same tomato, but it's just pureed a bit. Heather doesn't like big chunks of tomato. Let's give that a quick stir. About a half. I have more cans if I need it. It's looking really good. I don't think I need any more tomato sauce. Add some pepper to taste. Some salt. I always like to shake the salt in my hand so I know sort of how much I'm putting in. Okay, I'm going to cover them up. I'm going to let them cook for about 45 minutes. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and taste. See if it needs anything else. My wife loves it when I do this because I use a ton of spoons. Really good. It has a nice flavor to it. It's not extremely hot. It's mild. I can always add more if I want. I approve that. Let's try the meat alternative. It tastes exactly the same. If I put these in a bowl and swapped them around, like one in each bowl and swapped them around and tried them, I wouldn't be able to tell which is which, really. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. Have a wonderful day.